If AirDrop is not working on your iPhone 17e, let me show you what you can do to try to solve your issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings, we're gonna proceed to general, and then we can continue to the AirDrop. So the first thing that you should do is probably switch from contacts only to everyone for 10 minutes to ensure that every other device that is near you can actually detect your iPhone 17e. Over here we also have the option to start sharing by bringing devices together. You can hold the top of your iPhone close to another iPhone in order to transfer files. So of course, if that doesn't work for you, if this form of transferring files via AirDrop is not working, then of course make sure that this option is enabled. Now if you don't have Wi-Fi, then if this option, of course, the use cellular data is disabled, naturally it won't work. So if you want to make sure that you can always use AirDrop, or at least most of the time, at least when you have cellular data, then you can of course make sure that this option is enabled. Besides that, remember that in order to use AirDrop, you also probably want to have Bluetooth enabled. So if we go back to settings over here, we can proceed to Bluetooth and make sure that it is on. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.